Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the vacuum magnetic phone holder from the company MSXTTLY. As always, I will link the item accordingly. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item. You want to see what does it look like when it comes in, how does it work, etc. You get a couple instruction manuals, basically a user manual and then a contact card, and then you get a few different accessories. I'm not going to be using too many of them. I'm looking just to use the simple suction and magnet to hold my phone in my Jeep. I will show that here in a second. We'll go get it installed. What's cool with this is you've got a little tension thing here. When you twist it, that's what tightens and loosens your suction cup. You also have a couple different accessories that they give you. They give you some gel inserts in case you need to use a gel pad. They also give you an adhesive in the event you're not wanting to use it on a windshield, you want to put it on a dash or something, you can use this adhesive and then you can stick your suction to the adhesive. I wanted to mention that the magnet is nice and strong. There's my phone. If you have a phone that doesn't have a magnetic holder or that maybe has a phone case that's kind of thick like this, they also give you a metal ring that you can simply stick on the back of your phone, and then that helps give you a nice seal. Couple wipes, and that's it. So let's go get it installed in the car. Let's see how this thing works. All right, now I'm in my car. Hopefully you're gonna be able to see this okay. When you look at this, you've got tighten and you've got open. I also wanted to mention that it is fully adjustable. So you can take the arm here and you can bend it. We'll see that here in a second. All I'm gonna do is pick my spot on my windshield and then I'm gonna turn it to the tighten position. That's gonna be what tightens it. I'm going to adjust the arm, adjust my plate. Super easy. Grab your phone, go. Nice tight hold. When you want to take it out of your vehicle and move it to a different vehicle, all you're going to do is loosen it, pull the tab, go put it in your next vehicle. If you're looking for an inexpensive magnetic mount that works well in your car, give this one a try. I hope the video helped.